welcome to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys how to do a face mask. This is my DIY face mask. Okay, so you can just do this, anyone can do this at home, it's not difficult at all. So now I'm going to use this plate. I need my band, this is plastic band, my scissors and my chalk, that's all. So the length of this plate is actually 10 to 11 inches. If you're doing for a smaller, let's say you're doing for a child or something, you just use smaller plates to get that curve. So I'm just going to get this shape out of my fabric like this. So I got the circle. Okay, now it's time to cut it. This is what it looks like, and now I'm just going to fold it like this. This is actually the right side, so I'm going to fold it like so. Okay, and give it another fold like this. Let me repeat what I just did. So I'm just going to fold it like this, okay. Now I'm going to cut this up. And cut this place too, and cut here also. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So I'm going to sew this round now. I'm going to the machine to sew this. You can actually hand stitch this, but I just want to use my machine. So I'm going to sew this like so, sew this like this, and I'll be back. So guys, I'm done stitching this. Now I'm going to turn this to the good side. Okay. Now I'm going to face right sides, facing right sides. Now I'm going to go stitch this round. Stitch this round. Okay, I'll be back. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to flip it up to the other side. That's what it looks like. So guys, now it's time for the band. I'm going to measure 8 inches. So the smaller the child, the lower the length of the band. So I'm sewing for an adult, so I'm going to measure 8 inches. Okay, that's that. I'm going to cut another one for the other side. Okay. Now I'm just going to pass this through. Sewing machine. I'll show you when I'm back. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to stitch this. I just pass this through here. So I'm going to stitch this together. Guys, this is what it looks like. Okay. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. If you liked this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel until I see you guys in my next tutorial. Until then.